Stormklasse motor gunboats are built in Norway at Bergens Mekaniske Verksteder, or BMW, in Bergen, and at Westermoen Hydrofoil in Mandal. The prototype of the Stormklasse boats was built at BMW and completed in 1963. The boats can be fitted out either as motor gunboats or as motor torpedo boats. They are built undercover in series and have a displacement of 120 tons with a total length of 120 feet. They have a steel hull and glass reinforced plastic superstructure. Bottom sections are assembled in jigs. The hulls are built in two sections at the building berth. When completed, the two parts are lifted by transverse cranes over the launching berth, where they are then assembled. The building berth becomes vacant. Completed bottom sections are transferred from the jigs, and the construction of a new hull commences. The prefabricated deck house, containing wheelhouse, plotting room, radio station, instrument room and fan room, is here being placed in position on a hull being fitted out on the launching berth. Another of the boats in the present series is launched. Once the ceremony of launching is over, the boats are taken straight to the fitting out quays outside the assembly shops, where they are equipped and completed. Acceptance trials and delivery. Authorities and representatives from Yard and Navy put to sea with the new boat. As the split flag replaces the company's colors, a new watchdog is in service, ready to enter the squadron. The squadron approaches base. The crew lines up in mooring position. Each vessel has a complement of 22. And considering the size of the boats, the standard on board is exceptionally high. Officers' quarters are located amidships below the bridge. crew of 12 is accommodated in the forepart of the ship. Their own mess room is in the stern, adjacent to the galley. Quarters for 6 petty officers are situated aft of the engine room. The spacious and well-equipped galley in the stern is located to port. Departure from base for a series of routine exercises. Two Maybach diesel engines totaling 7,200 bhp give the vessels considerable speed, even in quite rough seas. The engineer on duty operates from a soundproofed control room aft of the engine room. Boats are very easily handled and their maneuverability is fast and precise, with excellent stability and small tactical diameter. Boats serve as platforms for an unusual amount of powerful weapons. They are each armed with one 3-inch or 76mm PAK Bofors gun on the foredeck, a 40mm L70 Bofors gun aft, and 2 frames for light rockets. Maximum accelerations and movements of the boats are well within the requirements of the gun and firing system, which is controlled by computer, so that the guns remain fixed on target even in rough seas. With their handy size, high speed and excellent maneuverability, these boats are eminently suitable for operating in narrow waters. tasks in the Arctic Ocean under severe winter conditions have also proved the boat to be well suited for operations in open sea. Puts out to sea. The duty on watch has been released, and it's time for some sleep and relaxation. New tasks. The captain knows that he has under his command a watchdog which is tough, powerful, and reliable.